This is a video to show you how to create a brand new Google business profile for your business. Start by going to google.com/business and selecting sign in. You want to make sure you're signing in with the email address that you want to be connected to this Google business profile. Next, you're going to add in your name. I'm going to do the example of Summit Pet Shop. And as you can see, there was other things that were populating down here. There is a chance that a Google business profile has already been created for your business, so you just want to see if that is the case. But since I know that there is not one, I'm just going to click on this Summit's Pet Shop and hit continue. Next, you need to let Google know what type of business you are, because this is going to be a pet store. This is just going to be a local store that customers can visit in person. Next, we need to let it know a business category. This is from a list that Google is providing, so you can't type just anything in here, but I know that pet store is in here. So you'll just start typing and it's going to populate a long list of things connected to what you're typing. Just choose the thing that applies best to your business. You can always change this and add more later. Next, you're going to enter in your business address. So I'm going to add that in now, and then I will hit next. After you input your address, Google may ask you if any of these businesses are yours. It's trying to prevent any type of duplicate profile being created, which can cause confusion down the road. But because none of these are my business, I'm going to tell it that it's none of these and hit next. This will give you an option to kind of drag around your position on the map and make a more precise location of exactly where your business is located. For now, we'll just leave that there. Now it needs to know a phone number and optional website for your business, so I will input that now and then hit next. Next up, Google is just asking about how you want to connect with Google and if you want to receive different information about news and tips about your profile, how to improve it. For now, we'll just leave those checked. And this automatically verified, as you can see, but sometimes Google may require you to go through the steps of verification. That may entail a phone call, an email. You may have to do a video of your business or receive a postcard in the mail, things like that. But Google will prompt you and let you know. Now you can begin adding different business information. For example, your business hours. Let's just say we're open from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. during the week. Let me add these. Once you have your hours added, you can hit next. Here you can select if you would like customers to be able to message you through your business profile for free. I'm going to hit yes for now. Here you need to input a business description. It's important to include information about your business, but not make this sound too salesy or spammy. There is an example in the article and blog post that you're reading on how to best write this, but just keep in mind that it needs to be 750 characters or less, not 750 words, but 750 characters. I'm just going to skip this for now. Another important thing to do is add add photos of your store. This can really help people get to know what your business is about, know what to expect before they arrive. If you don't have any right now, though, it's okay. You can just skip this. I'm going to skip this for now as well and hit skip now on this for now. All right, now it's telling me that all of my edits to my new profile will be visible once I'm verified, so I'm going to hit continue. And as you can see, we have now created a business profile right here. we'll need to add photos, and we will need to go through and hit edit profile and optimize all of these categories right here. But we will make a new video about that. So for now, congratulations, you have just created your first Google business profile.